Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to clone app in your Samsung phone. At first go to app screen. Now you cannot clone any app in your phone. You can only clone your social apps like Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger and Telegram. Now if you want to clone this app, just open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to advanced features. After that scroll down again and then go to dual messenger option. And that's it. Now from here you can clone your 4 apps: WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram and Messenger. You can also clone your Telegram or Twitter apps. If you want to clone your Facebook app, you have to just turn on this option from here. Then tap on install and it's done. Now just go to app screen. And that's it. You can see there are 2 Facebook app in my phone and the second copy of Facebook is ready for use. Now you have to just open the app, then you can log in or sign up your Facebook account from here. And that way you can clone any apps as you want. And that is how you can clone apps in your Samsung phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.